Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is Tori from Mountain Mama Living, and today we are going to be taking you on our family adventure to the mountains. I have to give a huge shout out to Jackery for sponsoring today's video. I am super excited to introduce to you their new solar generator 300 Plus. This portable power station fits right into your hiking backpack, and we are bringing it with us today. The 300 Plus is outdoor durable, it's comfortable, easy to use, and it's the industry's first carbon footprint verified. The additional solar panels allow this portable power station to be sustainable and cost-effective with its solar energy. The system itself is super lightweight, and I am very excited to be taking this on our hike today. The solar power system takes about a minute to set up, and it starts charging within 30 seconds. The 300 can charge multiple devices quickly and simultaneously with a 100-watt output. And the great thing about this unit is it can be recharged via solar panels, wall outlets, or a car charger. So this is ideal for outdoor activities, off-grid living, or most importantly, emergency backup. We are going to get started on some breakfast here. Whenever we know we are going to be taking a mountain trip, we like to have a high protein breakfast. And part of my son's homeschooling is him helping in the kitchen. Everyday life skills are super important to my family and I love that he wants to help. We, of course, wanted to get an early start, and we wanted to bring the Jackery with us. We needed to get this set up, and the fast wall charging goes from 0 to 80% within 80 minutes. So that is relatively quick, especially compared to other brands on the market. So I am very excited to bring this along with us and show you how this baby works when we are in the great outdoors. And I did want to go over a few specs with you. The portable power station is shock and fire resistant. It has a UL 94V0 rated flame retardant material. It's class 9 impact resistance in compliance with the UL safety standard against dropping. And it is UL certified with high temperature protection at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, it does have an intelligent dual chip protection with 5 temperature probes for precise temperature control. Jackery is running some amazing Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals for the year of 2023, and it is running from November 3rd through the 27th, but the best deals are going to be from November 17th through the 27th. Jackery is offering up to 50% off solar generators and portable power stations. Follow the links in my description box and make sure you are subscribed to Jackery's Black Friday live stream on their official store on November 27th for a shot at winning $50,000 in giveaways. And make sure you yourself are lighting festive joy with Jackery Solar. Big shout out again to Jackery, and let's get right into our mountain trip. I am so excited to see some snow and wildlife. We have made it to the beautiful high Rockies. As you could see, the elk were absolutely magnificent to witness, as well as a few eagle and hawk. The kids always love it when we head up to the mountains to see the wildlife and all of the beauty that Colorado has to offer. On our hike, we ended up stopping in a valley, which made it extremely windy, but I wanted to test my solar panels out in this area because I knew there would be wonderful sunlight, and I know that these solar panels are dust proof and waterproof, so any element that may come about will not harm these solar panels. So what I did was lean them up against this rock here, and then I got my cords set up and I just tested some items out. I wanted to see if my phone would charge, and the kids were hungry, so we ended up making some waffles while we were up here because the batter is easy to carry and it's easy to mix. So we made some waffles, I charged my phone, and then we headed back down to our beautiful home in the Front Range just so we could process some carrots. We, of course, could not leave beautiful Estes Park without seeing the famous Stanley Hotel, one of my favorite spots to visit, and the kids love to just walk around there. On our way back, we ended up hitting some traffic and a bit of wind, so it led us down a dirt road, which also led us to some snow and a beautiful view of Long's Peak, which is one of Colorado's 14ers, so we were happy to see some snow on there. It reminded us of snowboard season coming up, and we can't wait to bring you along this winter on our Colorado adventures. I mentioned on my other channel that we had an abundance of carrots this year, and I wanted to get them going. This year we decided to freeze our carrots. Last year we canned them, so we have a lot left over from there, but next year I'd like to try and freeze dry them just so we have different ways of storing our amazing harvest. After the carrots were triple washed, I ended up cutting them in a variety of ways, and I just flash cooked them. I don't use an ice bath, but I just cool them with some cold water, and then I put them in freezer bags, or I put them in bags to be vacuum sealed. And I thought, what a fun thing to do. We still have some charge left on our Jackery solar generator, so I wanted to see how it would hold up when processing this amount of food, which is a game changer. I love to process food outside, so the Jackery will come in handy when I need to do so. I ended up pouring out all the carrots here, getting the water out, and I put them in my vacuum seal bags and I plugged it in. We ended up processing 16 bags of carrots, and the Jackery still had 75% charge. After we processed our carrots, we went outside to check out the sunset and found another little friend out here. We always have an owl visit us in November, and it just gives me time to think about the season that is coming upon us. I hope everyone stays safe out there. Big shout out to Jackery for sponsoring all of today's video. I hope you give them a chance and check them out in my description below. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.